Hey guys, thanks for checking out America Outdoors. I've taken a little break. Had to do some backyard maintenance, make a backyard paradise for my wife and kids. Florida is hot. So guess what? We put a pool in and now we're off to putting sod down. Got some nice Zoysia sod from McCall Farms in Panama City, Florida. This will look really good in the backyard next to the pool. I ended up putting some topsoil down. I got like an inch or two down. Not too much, but that's what I got. Come on in the back, we'll take a look at what's going on. All right, as you can see, we have our pool in. We got a pool deck. I got some topsoil down. Do a little retaining walls around the trees. Starting to come together. Put in 5 palm trees. We got 3 Sylvesters, and I think these are called Roballinis. But got topsoil down. We got granite gray pavers with the charcoal gray border. I'm putting some of this rubber mulch down. I got to fix my sprinkler system. Just picked up these sweet LED lights on Amazon. They work really well. Got some more dirt to spread out. Then get after that. Got Zoysia sod. Don't know exactly what type of Zoysia it is, but right here. All right guys, I want to take a little bit, show you the difference between some Zoysia grass that we have here and St. Augustine that we have over here. I mixed these two just because I'm cheap. Want to save a little bit of money. I had this grass left over from the backyard. Decided to put it here. This is where they ran the bobcat and all that, tore up my front yard. So hopefully they'll run and it'll blend together. I'll post an updated video later on of how all this blended together, but I think it took pretty well. You pull up a little chunk. You can see it's already rooting pretty good. So I'm happy with the outcome. Local sod company sure hooked us up. So let's take a look at the backyard. Well, all right, we're at the 14-day to 18-day mark that the sod came off the pallet. Just wanted to walk around the backyard, show you how well it took. So I believe it took pretty well. Pretty nice grass. It's Zoysia, came out of McCall Sod Farms, local to Panama City, Florida. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. So we're going for the first cut right now. I got some weeds on the other side of my retaining wall. I gotta take care of that later when it cools off. But we are gonna cut this thing with the old trusty Ego 21-inch electric mower. This is my first electric mower. It works pretty well. I got a pretty small yard, so electric it is. If I had gas, I'd have to store gas in the garage quite a while, but it's gonna turn out looking pretty good. All right, well, that was a quick job. Just got done mowing my new Zoysia sod. Check this out. Not as smooth as yard as I wanted, but you can tell some of these spots right here that still need to grow in. So the main part of this yard was laid right after the pallet was delivered, and then back here was laid probably 4 or 5 days after the sod was delivered. It's starting to get dried out on the pallet, starting to turn yellow, but I think it's taken pretty well. You can still kind of see the squares of the sod. So, but overall, I think the backyard's turned out great. We still got to mess around with the patio and all that kind of stuff, but we got a nice 13 or 16 by 36 pool, some nice sod. I got 5 palm trees, 2 Roballinis, and 3 Sylvesters that I got to trim up. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like my content, subscribe, mash that like button, ask a question. But thanks for watching. Take care, guys.